Hello, lovely people.
My name is Sarah Moses. In this channel, we motivate, we encourage, we inspire each other. We learn hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, and other recipes, both Africa and continental. So why don't you join this beautiful family and let's do this together. Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Irama Moses. In this video, I am going to share with you how you can prepare homemade pizza dough. What will you need to prepare your homemade pizza dough? If you can see the ingredient that I have here, I have flour, I have salt, I have sugar, I have egg, I have butter, I have my yeast, my warm milk. So let's start. I'm going to start by adding the sugar, the yeast first, and my sugar and my salt. Then I will mix it together before I will place them in my blender to mix the dough for me. I don't want to use my hand. That's why I'm doing it this way. Make sure you mix it well so that it will be well mixed with your yeast, salt, and sugar in the flour. Can you see how I'm doing it? I'm going to place this in my blender now. I hope you guys can see. I have placed them in my blender now. So I'm going to add the rest of the ingredient to it. Then I'll start blending it. So I have my eggs here that I'm going to add. I will add my butter as well. And I have my warm milk. With the warm milk, I will leave some. When I need it, I'm going to add it. I'm going to add the rest of the warm milk. Our dough is getting ready. I hope you can see that. Guys, our pizza dough is ready now. So at this point, I have made my board, my pastry board ready. I'm going to knead this so it's smooth. I'm going to bring it out first, then I will show you guys. This one you have to be very careful because of the blade. if you are not careful, the blade can cut your finger. Can you see that? But make sure you sprinkle some of the flour on your board for you to knead this. Can you see how smooth our pizza dough is looking? Look at that. I have to make sure I take everything from the blade. So now that our dough is ready, we have our flour here. I hope you guys can see what I am doing. Can you see that? Our dough is nicely, look at that. It's very smooth. This one, because I used the blender, there's no need for me to knead it too much. It's already smooth. So at this point, all that I need is, I'm going to place this in my bowl for it to activate. I can even see my dough it has started activating already. Can you see that? I'm going to place it here for my dough to be activate. Can you see that? So with this, our pizza dough is ready. Look at that. Look how nice and smooth our dough is looking. So I'm going to cover it because the instant yeast that I use is very fast. So I'm not going to keep this for that long. I will leave it for like 30 minutes. I'll cover it for 30 minutes. Then we will start making our pizza. Guys, so this is how you can make your homemade dough, pizza dough. Can you see that? I have my napkin here. I'm going to cover this and place it somewhere for 30 minutes.